thinking twice, lost in paradise. I used to know this place. Well, maybe I changed. Maybe I'm pushing away. Maybe I changed. Maybe I've been holding on. Now I'm rolling. I no longer belong.
What's up, guys? Today we're showcasing our Freeway Flyer transmission with the optional install kit. This comes with a 412 Ring and Pinion and an overdrive fourth, also known as an 082, and it comes with new nose cone seal, completely rebuilt, new bearings, synchros, seals, one-piece boots, new input shaft, not input shaft, throw-up bearing shaft, all the accoutrement in there. Everything is painted, all the axle tubes are sealed up, and perfect for a cruiser application. The Freeway Flyer, been around forever. All of our prices and everything that we do include shipping in the lower 48 states, so it's free. I think it's trademarked. But this is the install kit. Comes with the new seal kits, new hardware, seal races, and axle nuts. That's all part of an optional package you can get in the drop-down menu. And this can be ordered in a couple different configurations: long axle, long spline, long axle, short spline, and short axle, short spline, based on year. So, or based on the wheel fitment you want to put on your car, whether it's an early car or late car, we can change the axles to accommodate that. So this is the best bang for your buck. No core is needed. This is the complete deal, and we can also install disc brakes on it as well, so it's a complete package ready to go. For more information, click the link down below in the description box, or ask us questions in the comment section. Until next time, we'll see you later. Hey guys, the 2021 promotion is still going on. You can win one of these ultimate beams by subscribing, commenting below on any Airkewld video you see. That's easy. That's all you got to do. Enter today, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.